And welcome to the TechBoxer YouTube channel. In this video, you are going to learn about logical operators in Salesforce Object Query language. Logical operators are used to combine multiple conditions in SOQL query to filter records based on specific criteria. We have three logical operators in SOQL query: and, or, and not. Uh, Parentheses are necessary whenever you combine different operators. Means whenever you write an SOQL query which is having more than one operator, for example, and you have used the and or operator. At that time, the parentheses are very important because it controls the order of evaluation. To begin with the and operator combines multiple conditions and returns records only if all conditions are met. So this is an sample SOQL query. Here, if you see query on the account object, select name, type annual revenue from account. After the where condition, there are two conditions are there, and here and operator is used. Uh, where annual revenue greater than 0 and type equals to prospect. If the both conditions are satisfied, then only the records are going to be returned. Otherwise, records will not be returned. Okay. The second operator is and or operator. The or operator combines multiple conditions and returns records only if any condition is met. So this is a sample SOQL query, fetching the data from an account object. After the where class, uh, the two conditions are there on annual revenue field and the type field. Here we are using the or operator. That means if the annual revenue is greater than 0 on a record or a type equals to prospect, then either of the condition is satisfied, then it is going to return the list of records. Okay, if the conditions are not satisfied, it is not going to return the records. The last operator is not operator. The not operator is used to negate a condition, returning records where the specified condition is not true. Okay, means this is a sample SQL query from the account object. Select name, type annual revenue from account. After the where class, where not type equals to prospect. Okay, where not equals to prospect. Instead of writing the not operator, you can use the type not equals to prospect. This will also work the same. Okay, so the importance of logical operators. The and operator has the higher importance than the or operator. So in the absence of parentheses conditions, and are evaluated first. For instance, this is a sample SOQL query. Select ID name from account, where industry equals to media or industry equals to banking, and there are here, if you see, there are two operators or user logical operators or user. So here, you need to use the parenthesis. Okay, to control the order of evaluation. This will be converted here. This will be converted into this format. Okay, after the after the industry equals to media in the SOK, after the where class, after the or, parenthesis will be added. Okay, this will be executed first. Okay, this will be executed. I think for you have written like this, where industry equals to media or industry equals to banking. Okay, but it is not going to work the same as you expected. Okay, parenthesis, you have to include the parenthesis to expect to get the data as expected. Okay, now I will show you in the Salesforce environment. Here I have the Salesforce inspector extension. Through using this Salesforce inspector extension, I will execute the SQL queries and show you the data. Okay, now I will write a sample SQL query on the account object. fetch the fields from account like ID, name, industry, revenue, number of employees. Okay, here after I got the records 177, 157 records. Okay, here after writing the account name, account object name, I will include the where clause. Okay, uh, where industry equals, where industry equals to, we'll use the media, where industry equals to media. So this query will return the records where the industry where the industry is media. Okay. See, we got only the 7 records. It is the all the 7 records is having the industry as a media. Now I will include the AND operator to filter the records again, where I will put the filter condition on the number of employees. Number of employees greater than 5,000. Okay, sorry, I will use 6,000. Okay, if I execute this SOQL query, if you see the data, there are 2 records which is below the 6,000. Now I will run the export. See, we got only the 5 records. Again, I want to filter these records. Okay, okay. I will include the AND operator. Here I am using the AND operator only, the single operator. So there is no need of requiring a parenthesis. I will do filter on the name field where name equals to global media. See, we got the 2 records. Okay, which is having the name is having global media. You can use the AND operator like this. Okay, now I will replace this AND with OR. We'll get the records where if the account record is having industry as a media, if the condition is satisfied, the record will be returned. And if this is not satisfied, it will check for the second condition, second filter condition. If the number of employees greater than 6,000, if the record satisfy this condition means uh, it returns the record, or otherwise it is going to check with this condition. Okay, or for all the records, it checks for all the records. If any of the field, if any of the condition satisfied means the record will be returned. Okay, and the last it check for the name where global media, name equals to global media. And if any of the condition are satisfied for a record, it is going to be returned. Okay, now I will execute. See, we got the 7 records. Okay, we got the 7 records. The all the 7 records, it is satisfying any one of the field condition. Okay, and the other one is not operator. Not uh, when you use not, okay, you need to include the parenthesis. Okay, or else you will get the unexpected token like this issue. Okay, here I have used the not. What does it means here the industry is not media, then fetch the records. Okay, then fetch the records. And I will remove this, where industry not media and name equals to global media. There is no with this condition there is no record satisfied, then it is not returning the record. If I use the or, it satisfy this condition, the records will satisfy this condition, and also 2 records will satisfy this condition also. Right, we got the 152 records where industry not equals to media. And Here instead of writing, if I do filter on this field also, I will write a not symbol here. We will get the 150 records because we will exclude the global media records. See, we got the correct correct answer. We got the correct records only. We will search for the global. See, we didn't got the records on the global media. Now I will remove this not. We will get the records here in the filter too. I will refresh. Okay. Instead of writing not operator, you can do like this also. In the in front of equal to, type the not, this exclamation mark. Okay, it works as the same without or without writing the or word. Okay, see, instead of writing the not word, you can use this exclamation mark. Okay, this will work as the same. Now we will include and or multiple operators. Okay, where industry equals to media or industry also, we will include industry technology. You can write or condition on the same fields, but you cannot write uh, and condition on the same fields. Okay, do remember where industry equals to technology and revenue greater than 5,000. Sorry, 6,000. For suppose here I haven't including any parenthesis. Okay, now I will execute the run export. Here we got an error. I will include the parenthesis. We didn't got any data. For these two queries, we will try to get the data. See, we got this data. Okay. Uh, Whenever you use multiple more than one operator, you need to include the parenthesis. Okay. Now I will remove this parenthesis. See, we got this issue. We got an error. Okay. The SOQL query is not executing. So it is very important to use these parentheses when you including multiple operators. Okay. Um, can write like this also. Industry is greater than where industry social media. Sorry, we can put on the name field. Okay, where name equals to. Okay, this means this is the one condition and this is the one condition. Okay, if this condition is satisfied means If any of these two conditions are satisfied, means it is going to return the records. We got only the two records. Okay. Now I will remove this thing. But again, I will include this. Here, what does it mean? Means the record needs to satisfy this both conditions, means where industry equals to media and name equals to global media, or the record needs to satisfy these two condition. Okay, where industry equals to media, for the all the industry media is there, and name equals to global media, only two records are there. Okay, or where industry equals to technology, there is no record with in technology uh, value, and the annual revenue is greater than 6,000. Here this is a and condition. Okay, but there is no record which is having the industry value as the technology. So this condition, the records are not satisfying this second condition. It's satisfying this only the first condition, and check for the both the two field values. Okay, global media is there only for the two records, right? And in media is there, so we are getting only the two records for the account record. Okay, I hope uh, you found this tutorial helpful, and if you have any queries on the SOQL on these SOQL queries, or on the topics that I have discussed in this video, you can post your queries on the in the comment section. I will do respond, and thank you for watching. Thank you for your time. For more learning videos and other Salesforce learning videos, please do subscribe my YouTube channel, and please do like this video if you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your time. Thank you everyone. Keep learning.